Hey there, Reverend Ron Gielock here with Christ-Centered Coaching. And have you felt like you've hit a plateau and are not sure how to scale your business, how to take it to the next level? Well, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to scale your business without requiring a ton more of your time and a ton more of your effort. You're going to love this. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're back and we're talking about 4 different ways to scale your business without requiring a ton of your time. I'm doing this video outside in my beautiful backyard of the new house we just purchased, because my wife is feeling a little under the weather and we're just getting ready to go on a missions trip to El Salvador. We leave tomorrow. So excited. Please pray that Diane feels a lot better. Definitely don't want to start off this trip feeling sick. So 4 ways to scale your business without requiring a ton of your time. All right, so I'm going to give you the first way. It might not be in the same order in the blog post and the link below in this video description. The first way to scale your business more is start charging more for your products or service. I found that as I have increased my price for coaching, the number of people that say no has not changed at all, and the number of people that say yes has not changed at all either. In fact, I get better quality clients that take more action and get better results when I charge a higher amount. Go figure, right? The second way to scale your business is to take exactly what you're doing, your existing products, your existing services, and see if there are additional marketplaces for what you're doing that will really work. If you're doing, I don't know, carpet cleaning in residential areas, are there commercial places that will take your service? Okay, could it be just a matter of sending more traffic to your offers? If you already have a great converting offer, if you already have people that are purchasing your product and service, and you just need more of that ideal client, that ideal avatar, you're going to want to look into things like Facebook advertising, Google AdWords, YouTube video advertising. Those are some of the most targeted ways we use in our business to get more people, more of our ideal target audience, our avatar, to our offer. That would be the third way to grow your business. And the fourth way, this is incredibly profitable, incredibly profitable. I recommend this for every single one of my clients, is to implement what I call an ascension model. And guys, what this is, an ascension model means that you're adding additional products and services that complement what you're already offering. For example, if you're doing a roofing business, like our house, we need a new roof, I think right around over there. One of the additional products that you could offer is gutter cleaning. You can charge for that. You can charge more. So on the blog post below, if you click the link below in this video, I share a blog post, my entire format from going to lead magnet, to tripwire, to core offer, to profit maximizer, to get your customers to not only become a prospect and take what you're offering for free, but also take your additional offers and really maximize your profit. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about when I say tripwire, core offer, profit maximizer, you're totally going to want to read this blog post below, because I go into extreme detail how every single business needs to implement these things and what to charge for each of these things, whether it's low ticket, medium, or high ticket. You're going to want to check out that blog post. It's going to share a ton of these. So example, if you, or just for instance, if you just implemented one of these 4 strategies for growing your business and scaling it faster, what would the impact be on your business for that? What if everything is already working fine and you just increase your prices by 10 to 20%? You know, would that still work? So the keys with this is tracking, you know, is your overall profitability and revenue increasing, right? You may get less customers when you try some of this, but your overall revenue and profitability may increase, which is totally totally a win, right? You don't want to be all things to all people, right? You want to pick a niche. You want to pick a place where you totally fit in the market, that you're going to just give incredible value to a specific group of people. So guys, if any of these 4 tips on how to scale your business quickly have helped you, or you're excited about these, please leave a comment below in the video or on this blog post. We have a ton more to share with you and help you grow your business using Christian business principles and digital marketing. So head over to ChristCenteredCoaching.com. We got some free goodies over there for you and stuff I know you're gonna love to help you grow your business. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.